Welcome back everyone, Mariah Monetize here, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering some recent news when it comes to Celsius, BlockFi, Nexo, and what is happening on these platforms, anywhere from different rate changes to new coins being added to the platforms. Once I go over those quickly, I'm then going to be getting into a Bitcoin price review to see exactly where Bitcoin is at on the charts and to see if any time frames like we checked last time over the 12-hour time frame have turned into bullish posture. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So let's see, first here on Celsius, they have a AVAX offer, get bonus AVAX on Celsius and earn up to 10.92 APY when you earn and sell. So they also have some promos. Basically, we boosted the earn rate on AVAX to up to 8.3 APY for in-kind learning, and then 12.92 when it comes to sell tokens. And you can see here, if you transfer $500 in AVAX, you get $20. If you transfer $5,000, you get $150. If you transfer $20,000 in AVAX, you will get $600 in AVAX. So promo code tip, you can use each promo code, but only once to maximize your AVAX bonus rewards. I talked about this on my previous Ethereum video. I may have potentially done the order wrong because their blog post kind of sort of didn't explain it as clearly as I had thought. I kind of wish they would just make a video on this to make it as clear as possible. So this is what you need to listen to when you're on the promo codes page on Celsius. This note right here will really help you fully understand how to take advantage of all three promo codes. If you activate more than one promo code at the same time, you must make as many eligible transfers as the number of promo codes that you want to use. So if you want to use all three AVAX promo codes, you're going to make 3 AVAX transfers. Codes must also be fulfilled in the order you enter them. So for example, you would probably just want to start with, AVAX 20, implement that promo code, AVAX 150, and then so on. And then you have to make the transfers in that same order. And then over here, if you want to use the 𝘱𝘱𝘴 code as a first-time user and then the Ethereum 200 code for a general transfer, you must make 2 separate transfers to lock both bonuses. A single transfer will not qualify and lock both codes. You must first transfer $100 to lock 𝘱𝘱𝘴 and then make a second transfer of $200 to lock Ethereum 200. Transferring $500 at once will only lock the 𝘱𝘱𝘴 promo code bonus and will not additionally qualify for Ethereum 200. So something to keep in mind if you're trying to take advantage of as many promo codes as possible, which is a bummer because I'm pretty sure I completely just messed up my Ethereum one. So I thought I was gonna earn, what was it, like $800 in free Ethereum? Yeah, that's not gonna happen anymore, unfortunately. All right, so BlockFi has added some new coins, Doge, Algo, BCH now on BlockFi. Trade now and earn 0.10% back in a stable coin. So they've added these new coins. So obviously you still cannot earn interest on those coins. Pretty crazy if you really think about it. I thought for sure by now Celsius would have not let us transfer new funds and earn interest on, but that is not the case yet. So when it comes to BlockFi here, you can, I'm sure, potentially now use these as collateral if you'd like to take out a loan in the meantime before you can start earning interest on them. So this is also, basically an email from BlockFi stating that we intend to file for or submit the registration statement for an S1 with the SEC for the offerings of BlockFi Yield, which is anticipated to be the first SEC registered crypto interest bearing security. So I think once this filed, then most of these platforms will probably be in the clear. This is what I want to say. I've been in the cryptocurrency space for a while. What I want to mention to you is that more than ever, people are talking more about getting your cryptocurrency off exchanges. What does that mean? That doesn't just include Coinbase or Gemini or Kraken. That technically includes all of these interest earning platforms, okay? I have just been seeing it repeated more than ever before. And that is mainly because, like, for example, what we're seeing in Canada with people's bank accounts being completely shut down. And that's kind of what we're seeing in Ukraine with people only being able to take out like $300 from their bank account each and every day. So people are, reminding people like, hey, listen, you don't have necessarily full access to those coins when you do not own the keys. This is something that I'll repeat over and over again in my videos because it's important, and I don't want anyone to say that I never mentioned that particular risk. So please always remember that. Okay, on Celsius, starting February 25th, Celsius X now live. Bridge Your DeFi is here. Celsius X facilitates the wrapping and bridging of assets across any chain so you can access more yield opportunities. And then a sell rate boost. You can now earn more rewards at each sell tier. Get up to 30% more in weekly rewards when earning and sell at platinum level. AVAX rate boost. You can now earn up to 8.3 APY on AVAX when earning in kind and up to 10.92 APY when earning in sell. And they've also created a new partnership with Maple Finance as the first CeFi institution to launch a crypto lending business on the DeFi rails. Okay, and then over here on Nexo, they basically just made it more clear, and you could, do flex. So flex, withdraw your funds at any time depending on your day-to-day needs. So withdraw your funds anytime. There's no lock-ins for any period of time, and receive up to 20% interest on crypto on stablecoins. And then for fixed terms, our fixed terms offer the highest savings yields available on Nexo, up to 18% on crypto with the 1 month lock-in, and on stablecoins up to 12% on stablecoins with a 3 month lock-in. Excuse me. So some things to keep in mind there to maximize your earning possibility. And then BlockFi went ahead and adjusted a little bit on their stablecoin. So your first 20,000, new APY 8%. They've dropped it because before it was 8.75. And then between 20,000 and 10 million, 7%. And it used to be 7.75. Anything over 10 million, 5.5. And then not applicable for what it used to be. So let's go ahead and get into the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting just under $44,000. So this right here is a weekly chart. I like how we have seen a little bit of a shift here on this green moving average. I would love to see it cross over the red. It would have to still go up quite a bit of ways. We're seeing here some resistance on this particular DMA. I would anticipate more resistance here around 49,000, and then I'd anticipate another area of resistance over at about $57,500. So weekly chart is looking better, but we still need to see a lot more for more bullish posture. So let's see here. I want to see Bitcoin go above the high of this candle, the February 10th candle, which is 45,855. The high of today's candle is 45,426, so close to that range. But then again, we are seeing resistance here. It'd be really nice though to see Bitcoin close above that particular DMA. So daily chart is looking good, but we still have a little bit ways to go. And then the 12-hour chart was looking really good yesterday, still looking excellent today, continuous strength. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart here. 4-hour chart cooling off a little bit of a pullback. I would like to see this green too stay above the low of this candle right here, which is 43,423. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hourly chart here. Hourly chart, a little bit of sideways trading, almost making a lower low here. Would like to see Bitcoin in the next day or two go above the high of this candle, the 45,426. Let's go and take a look at the 30-minute chart here on Bitcoin. A lot of sideways trading. I do like the fact that there was not a lower low made, but we would still need to see a pretty big push here on the 30-minute to make a higher high. So be very cautious there. We might continue with some consolidation. So let's go ahead and see what traditional markets did again. Let's go to look at SPY. Let's go take a look at SPY here on the hourly chart. SPY had an up day today, which is good. So let's go ahead and see here, percentage-wise, up about a little bit less than 3% on the day. So some strength there. I think if we see strength in SPY, we'll see continued strength in the cryptocurrency space, which is exciting. Let's go and look at the daily chart on SPY and see how it's doing. I like to see, today was a good day, this green 3 trading above the green 2. I'd love to see this green moving average cross above the red. That'd be some really positive news there, but still would like to see a higher high, which is over in the 460 range. So maybe let's see here. Today's Wednesday, maybe sometime next week, if it can make a higher high, that would be awesome. Let's go and take a look at Tesla. Tesla sitting at $879. More strength on Tesla today. This is the daily chart. I'd love to see this green moving average cross above the red, but we'd probably still see a little bit of resistance here at about $960 before more room to the upside. So that's pretty much all that I have for you today. If you'd like to use any of my links to sign up for Nexo, BlockFi, Celsius, Vault, I have links down below for that. So that is all that I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.